without a genuine reason is haram. Nowadays more and more ladies are coming to masajids. What should we do? Can we give some money? Will this encourage others? Brother Muhammad, in the ayah, there are two different things. The first thing, asking, this is what we mentioned in the ayah, and the other part, to give. So for the person who's asking, we tell him it is haram to ask if you don't need. So if you are taking this as a job, then this is haram. Okay, because as it came in the hadith, the one who is asking people the money without need, okay, it means without need, he will come at the day of judgment, وَلَيْسَ فِي وَجْهِ مُزْعَةٌ لَحْمٍ. There is no flesh in his face at the day of judgment. But the other part, that those who give the money, so if anyone asks you, okay, you have the choice to give him or not to give him. The concept that, wallahi, if I give them, then I will encourage them, please don't think in this way, because this is not the way of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The way of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, كان لا يرد سائلا. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam used not to reject anyone who's asking him, if he has, of course, means I have money, and if I give the money, there is no harm, then khalas, I give. Even if you know he is a liar, give him. If you don't like to give, don't give him. Okay, so you'll not find that the Prophet ﷺ said, we have to check if they are liars or not liars. This is not our job. This is between them and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. If they are lying, they will be sinners. But if you give, Allah will give you the charity. I mean, this is the general concept. This is the general concept. When they told the Prophet ﷺ, there were some people asking the Prophet ﷺ money, and the Prophet ﷺ was giving them until what he had finished, or something like that. So they said, the companion said, "Oh Rasulullah, they don't need." The Prophet ﷺ said, إنهم يأبون إلا أن يسألوني ويأبى الله علي البخل. They don't want to stop asking me, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala doesn't want me to be called as miser, bakhil. So please, brothers and sisters, okay, anyone asks you if you like to give him. I don't know why you mentioned ladies, okay, also the men, not only women. You like to give. If you don't like, khalas.